intuition, your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path. So, just be careful, okay? So, ngayon, talagang kailangan ninyong makinig or kailangan ninyo na i-access, yung inyong intuition kasi pwede na maraming mga gabay, pinapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe. There could be a lot of guidance, there could be a lot of messages that are being sent to you, kaya importante na pakinggan ninyo ito at i-access ninyo ito, Healing powers are also being sent to you. Dito siguro ito yung kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Maybe there are situations na magulo siguro sa buhay ninyo and it needs healing, or pwedeng physical ailment, ang meron din ang iba sa inyo, kaya you can also expect that there are healing powers, diba, na ibibigay sa your healing energy. Or pwede rin dito, Gemini, na you are being used ng universe or kinakasangkapan ka siguro or kakasangkap. Pasensya na, nabubulol ako. Parang the divine universe siguro is choosing you to be his conduit, Ikaw yung magiging daan niya para makapagpadala siya ng healing powers or healing energy sa mga taong nangangailangan nito. And he is going to use you. He is going to give you healing powers para ikaw yung maghatid ng healing na ito sa mga tao na nangangailangan nito, So, what else? We have thorns. Withering the challenges ahead will bring in a new positive future. Ayan. So, this is really good, This is really good kasi lahat, ng mga challenges ninyo sa buhay, yan ay malalabanan ninyo, yan ay malalagpasan ninyo. You will be able to overcome that, and it's going to give you an opportunity to give yourself or bibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng rebirth, 'di ba? Ng bagong buhay, yung ganoon. Kaya napakaganda, 'di ba? So, what else? We have unicorn, success, hope, freedom, healing, and magic are all available to you if you just believe. Okay? So, kailangan lang ninyo ngayon ng magtiwala. Diba? Kung naniniwala ka, kung anong pinaniniwalaan mo, asahan mo na yan ang one day mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung naniniwala ka na ikaw ay magtatagumpay,